What's going on, guys? It's Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to use a simple logo animation template in Adobe Premiere Pro. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to download, install, and use this logo animation template in Premiere Pro, along with how to customize it to your exact liking.
That's good.
Alright guys, let's dive in. So the first thing I want to show you is how to download this template, okay? So there's a link down below in the description that you can click on, or you can just go to my website, which is ParEdits.com, and I'll show you exactly how to get there. So if you see my screen, we've got products up here in the top. So we're gonna go to products, see that load, scroll down, you'll see the your logo here little icon. That's what our template looks like. So we're gonna click on this, it's the free download. Then it'll take you to this page, and all you have to do is fill out your name and email, and then you'll get the download sent straight to your inbox. Okay, so now we're in Premiere, and I have a blank slate here. All I did was install one clip just so we can use it as like an example to overlay the template on top of. So to install the template, we're gonna go up here to the top left, and we're gonna click on graphics, okay? And under graphics, it says install motion graphics template. So we're gonna click on that. All right, and it brings up this window. So we're looking for where we're gonna install it from. I know mine, it's over here on the downloads. So it's a .mogrt file. So I'm gonna open it, and basically that'll just install it. And once it's done installing, it's going to open up the Essential Graphics panel for you. And if it doesn't, like it didn't for me, I'm gonna go to Window, and we're gonna go all the way down and look up Essential Graphics. So it looks like it's already open. I'm just gonna go find it. All right, Essential Graphics panel. Okay, so now we have the Essential Graphics panel. We're under Browse, the Browse tab right here. And then we're gonna type in simple logo and hit enter. Bam, we got the simple logo animation. So I created this for you guys. We're just gonna go ahead and drag and drop it in. But before we do that, we need a sequence open. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my project. Okay, so I have my project, and I'm just gonna create a sequence from this clip. I'm just gonna drag it in. Cool, so we got a sequence. Here's my clip. I'm gonna hold Alt and click to delete the audio. All right, so we've got my clip here, the flowers. I'm just gonna drag this little animation on top. Let me change the view to list view. Okay, so let's go back to Essential Graphics, and we'll see the motion graphic here, just sitting here. So we're just gonna click and drag it all the way on top of where we would like to see it, okay? So I just dragged it, and I placed it right on top of my clip, and now it's in my timeline. So let's play it and see what it looks like. All right, so there's the flowers, and then it fades on, and then we got a zooming in logo. It looks gorgeous, fades off, then we got a zooming in website. Amazing, okay? So now let's go ahead and customize it. To customize it, we just click on it, and we have effect controls open, right? So if you don't have effect controls open, go to Window, turn on effect controls, it's right here, and then you'll see all these options in here, okay? So we don't care about vector motion, and we do care about clip and text, okay? So everything underneath here, don't worry about it. These are just animations that you don't need to care about, and we can address them later. So what I want to do is I want to change the text. So I see the text here. I want to make it my website. All right, so we're just going to go in here, see the source text. We can actually hit this little type tool, and we're going to start typing in my website, okay? So ParEdits.com. And it's a little off to the side, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this little selection tool, and also the anchor point, which is where it zooms in from, is off to the side too. So I'm going to drag that and put it right in the middle. And then I'm also going to drag this and have it snap in the source monitor. So if it isn't snapping in your program monitor, you can click this wrench and turn on snap in program monitor down below. But yeah, so now we got the website all good. Highlight again, press T on my keyboard. Let's select all of that text, and let's change the font to my brand font, which is logo. We'll do heavy italic. Okay, so now let's do the most important thing, which is the logo. So let's go ahead and go to the part where the logo is. You can see it right here. So we don't need the text anymore, but we do care about the logo. So the logo inside of this template is referred to as a clip, and the name of the file is just YOUR. So what we need to do is go into our Essential Graphics panel, and we're going to actually add our logo into the graphic. Okay, so we're gonna do that by clicking this little new layer button, and then we're gonna hit from file. Okay, so I have my logo right here, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna open that up. Now it's imported, and it's inside of this graphic, okay? So the thing is, when we play it, my logo is just chilling there, and the logo is still animating, right? Or the template logo. So I wanna get rid of the template, and I wanna make my logo animate, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at what the current logo is doing. It's currently scaling up and it's currently using parameters in opacity. So we are going to copy opacity, and we're going to take our playhead, hold shift so we can snap to the keyframes and go to the very first keyframe of opacity. And we're going to click on our clip right above here, and we're going to do controller command V to paste it in there. So opacity is pasted in, but now let's also do the scale, because scale is the other thing to animate. So let's copy and paste the scale onto our new one, okay? So now when we play it, now they're both zooming in together and they both faded on together with the opacity. See that? Okay, so now we want to turn off the old one, and we could do that right inside the Essential Graphics panel. Just hit the eyeball under your, and bam, it's gone. So when we play it, nice, we see the logo coming in, and then we also see the website. Perfect. I hope you guys got a lot of value out of this tutorial. This logo animation template was really fun to make, and it's really simple, and I know it'll definitely bring your videos to the next level. If you want to learn how to actually make this template, or you want to make it from scratch inside of your own videos, feel free to go ahead and check out my other YouTube video on how to animate an intro. It's right here. It's really useful. It'll show you exactly how to make something very similar to this. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.